I'm gonna test this out. This is one of the utility knives from Dollar General. I want to see how sharp it is. Okay? Okay. That is sharp. Holy Jesus Christ, that's sharp. And now you know why I put these in my kits, by the way. Now you know why I put these in my kits. Now you know why I put these in my kits, man. I'm literally doing basically nothing. I'm literally doing nothing. And it I recommend these for your kits, okay? These are your utility knives, and they are sharp. Oh no. How can you not buy these? These are the true living ones too, by the way. For $1.25 for 4. That's sharp. Of course, it gets like a little bit of, I think, bent, I believe. I'm only doing this to see if it's bent or not. But either way, you can. Let me do it one last time. Like literally, you can just. Oh no. Right? How can you not buy these? How can you not buy these? These are true living from Dollar General. The 4 for $1.25. Or $1.50 now. I don't know, probably $1.50. Confetti. Right? How can you not? How can you not, man? These are freaking nice. I guarantee they're easy to sharpen. You know? I guarantee they're easy to sharpen, though. So, yeah. True Living, utility knife test. Peace. This has been Post-Apocalyptic Survival. Being amazed by a cheap 4 for whatever knife. Peace.